Hey, this is Mike with Riding in the Ozarks, where we talk about riding, rallies, gear, and wrenching. Today we've got news on the helmet modification bill. Today is July 10th, and we got word that the governor intends to sign HB 1963, which is a transportation bill that includes the helmet modification language, on July 14th at 1:30 p.m. Several members of motorcycle rights organizations here in Missouri plan to be there in person when that happens, but with the social distancing things, we don't know that they'll actually get to witness that bill signing, but they're planning to be at the Capitol for it either way. So, if all goes well, and we get confirmation that the bill gets signed on Tuesday, I'll be dropping another video on that, confirming that and letting everybody know the status. If you watched my first video on this about a week ago, I had a lot of people ask me to keep them updated and posted on what's going on. So that's kind of what this bill's about. I just want to let you all know what the status is when I learn things. If you did not see that video I did a week ago, then you may not fully know what I'm talking about. So what it boils down to is we have a modification bill to modify the universal helmet law here in Missouri that will go into effect August 28th if it is passed. The language in that bill says that you must be 26 years of age, you must have a valid operator's license, and you must have health insurance or medical insurance of some nature besides auto insurance. And then you will be able to ride a motorcycle or motor tricycle without a helmet. If you are under 26 years of age, if you're working off of a motorcycle permit instead of an operator's license, or if you do not have health insurance, then you will still be required to wear a DOT helmet. But they cannot pull you over and check you strictly for the purpose of, identifying your age and things like that. They have to have another reason to stop you before they can write you a ticket for a violation of this helmet law modification. Now, if you're not familiar with Freedom of Road Riders, or ABATE, they are motorcycle rights organizations here in Missouri that have been lobbying and working hard for 30 plus years to get this kind of modification or repeal the helmet law done. And so if you appreciate the fact that you'll have freedom of choice in Missouri after this point, then make sure you thank a Freedom of Road Rider or ABATE member for their hard work and consider joining one of those organizations. I personally am a member of Freedom of Road Riders and have been active in that organization for 6 years. And we do a lot of things besides, just the helmet law. It's not just about that. We have members in our group who are always going to wear a helmet, who we're not particularly for modifying the helmet law, but they see the value in the organization for all the other things we do and are a member of it. So give that a thought. And if you're a member of a motorcycle rights organization, leave me a comment down below and let me know which one you're a member of and what area or state. All right, well, like I said, we're going to keep this one short and sweet. It's just an update for those that want to know it. All right, if you like my videos, make sure you give them a big thumbs up. If you do that YouTube thing, check out my other content, and if you like it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. You can hit that bell to be notified when I drop a new video. And as always, thanks for your support, stay safe, and keep on riding.